Talon scotch in hand, pouring a generous amount into his brother's favorite Spider-Man sippy cup. I lunged across the kitchen, knocking over a chair in the process. But I was too late. Mason had already chugged half the sippy cup of straight scotch before I could grab it from his tiny hands. What followed was pure chaos. Mason went from injured victim to tiny drunk in approximately 45 seconds. He started spinning in circles, telling me he could see music, while Tyler tried to convince me with complete seriousness that this is what Dad always does when he gets hurt. I called my sister in a panic, my voice cracking. Your children are criminal masterminds. One of them is drunk, and the other one should be studied by military strategists. She didn't believe me until I FaceTimed her to show Mason attempting to ride the family dog while singing the Paw Patrol theme song at top volume. Tyler, meanwhile, was calmly eating ice cream straight from the container, having successfully created enough distraction to access the forbidden freezer treats. The ER doctor couldn't stop laughing as I explained what happened, though he assured us Mason would be fine. My sister was mortified, her face buried in her hands. Her husband, however, had to leave the hospital room because he couldn't stop laughing. I'm no longer allowed